Henan Botai Chemical Building Materials Company Limited. We are an innovative enterprise specializing in the production, research and development, and sales of redispersible polymer powder, calcium formate, hydrophobic agent, cellulose ether, HPMC, HEMC, HEC, and superplasticizers, SMF, PCE-based. Its products are mainly used in dry mortar, paints, oil drilling, feed, and detergent field. As a major member of Renovation and Decoration Materials Association of China Building Materials Industry Economy Research Institute, RDM, and China Ceramic Industrial Association Technical Commit for Tiling, TCT, Botai keeps actively taking our social responsibility and participating in the development and research in the field of construction engineering repair and construction decoration materials, as well as technological innovation in the field of tile adhesive applications. Botai Made has been exported to more than 60 countries and regions all over the world with good reputation. Botai currently has 2 large R&D centers that are constantly committed to providing customers with the most professional technical support and formulation solutions. These R&D centers were also certified as training base of tile inlayers. Their qualification certifications made consistent contributions for the standardization and specialization of paving technology. Botai has registered more than 20 trademarks, obtained 25 patents, and passed ISO 9001, EU REACH, HALAL, FAMI-QS certification, and so on. Botai adheres to the business philosophy of green chemistry, environmental protection, and sustainable development. We attach equal importance to conservation and development, energy conservation and emission reduction, insists on producing and supplying green and high-performance products for customers.